Mama wakwaba, wafreme ajua searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Near notification bell also for more news. Ebusia for Felix appear political zone ena okasi na edensem ena Felix eka nsem working na ne say e honorable Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan why na dream say ensem obeka ni ne obeye na ede di pefe say or the NPP party no eco position. Entinya de almost betna ho ende anasa ochna no ma hwedin na Felix say ewiase wo we adwombone eba okurade tirima otonwo ene nipa so oye ni biribibira we wie no eya na enyefe enti honorable Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan ni nsem bia okeka enda eye vice president Dr. Bawumia 1 billion ede ama eye delegate ni na na delegate be reba okwakoto abe Vice President Dr. Bawumia ma obia 1 billion dia. And the second Gambia was papa. And some honorable Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan ekekane and an saying northern region cry. Okay came wo and enka constituency organizer bako and as a chairman koneno enya kasa and enka sumbo ina e bawa ebim honorable say oh and you na name no Ashanti region. And or Kasa chairman Bako, Vice President Dr. Bawumia Emanisika. Sense Muina and ye Abia Ebwa NPP party. Now Felix Ebisa honorable Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan say, or your NPP ni, and I say or your NDC ni. Fine. A woman say a position and a mopre, Ubia a campaign, Ubia a canin sem, I be man a delegate no atwa ba a day amano. But and send the honorable Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan a cano and ye. Some de sa na 2012 omke kensem in a NPP party no equal position sa no mo started year 2023 almost started ekeka eya just a party no person muche no mo santo position na Felix say nyametia cd enya dia party no be position ende anase ochnanti there honorable Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan oye no eye ni bre ena ode eye sa. Now, honorable Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan, yebeshima countless time and an NPP party no omo approach you and as omo catcher or omo email ministerial appointments are also open. Now, president the crowd also na and kawasem and kawajo kra and they are saying and they say the pakrano sumiwa way emadwen utumi ekasem later on no why change the word. So what could that you say? President did never born as a woba. Fine. Uminia NPP Fuina ever support you, and I said NPP Fuina be do what you. Now, honorable Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan, Okodaya Wadrin Sesai also be president. The old baby, we you papa, to Felix Edges and Nibro away, and I will wafa, Oman Winnie, a brother be prince swap. Where we know, and your fed, Yancy and some Felix appear at the Etuja.
Number one, apathy. Number two, disaffection between one more accused or marginal or mobile support to Bawumiano. Yen talk time because you got to delegate, super delegate, no, you who wear a baneko. Sad, yeah, yen so jangun and crop for me in them. Ne ensure with them as me way and strategy of going. Kennedy, where you are not smarter than nobody. I've said I don't want to insult you and I would insult you. I know you love it when we give it to you like that, but this time I will glorify you that way. I will let people know say what you enjoy it. Who could have shallow and feeble-minded, a greedy heart. That is who you are. You are a very greedy monster. A greedy monster who doesn't get satisfied. And anybody who faiths on greed, anybody who tries on greed, their end result is a negative death. And the negative death is a death of shame. So unless you want to die a shameful death, please stop the nonsense you are doing to the so-called party that you claim you want to lead. You are not making sense no more.
Hey, sir.
One more say, yo, say ya check cars this guy the chairman for. No, me pato say yes I no kan. I can't say yes I no kan.
Yes I no kan. E bia na allegation keke.
Na say you be cars wo be man show down there. What sister na no say e ya Ashanti region chairman bi na akwaje say scan car no.
Na allegation keke.
All the other chairman no done. Yeah, because you know what to time the amount all the other chairmen. But for weeks, it was in the news. Everywhere said Bawumia go check car, pickups near Dennis car, and the chairman for. And then your chairman for the Dimbra, what's the chairman? You know what's Ashanti region. Who are you fooling?
But bro, unim say bia sign my okay can you na chi every 1991 1982 yeah oba party we from Samuel Mobile Day Club no US no free what they buy at a very young age of 32 years now what started say or bomodne or born homodne or babunu party no mwa what they buy $3 million ne ho pickups ne sika bebre odi remu making sure say each election year bia no or the normal bestika pickups way more just say or born homodne contribute a lot. Don't you think say he feels and this time around you should just back him up munina party ni na when
did he decide to become president?
Said yeah, last year na na adwene ne say opeso di mampani. And I mean what?
Would you choose somebody who would you choose somebody who is prepared for the fight or somebody who just who's going to strike for you?
So
who is going to strike for you? Me say who are two strikers? One about quiet training, only penalty, only free kicks, no more 2 years so that she could run bibi adada. But could be so by also no so to me abu binti. Tali pamosa kwa na one training 1 year na me member.
Na just idea we ya kwa West Ham for to Kudus ni bo power ya de obi anim say Kudus is very very good but ya de ko ye starting the full time that be ni free bench ba wa be bo few minutes coach na ka say
why
yes onyanto boase na o grooming ne prepare no emma ne hunu style almost style of play answer.
Let me add something to that with Kudus with analogy now why because West Ham for who say in the next 1 to 2 years, that is their star player. It will let you buy into the system of West Ham. This is the system.
Gradually.
This is how we do it. Even though it's in the chat, could to just be an individual player in West Ham. Our skills, but only effective team player. And teams win games, not individuals.
Yeah, I got it.
Say, sir, analogy say, where TSK, where top pick up, no one year. Does that automatically qualifies him to become?
Felix, Humano, Eka. Evolution for now, they're all canon. I think, say, I was getting it. And you know what his point Nina say and you say the NPP is not backing Ora or Kennedy Japan but the entire Bia hunu say or more penasem no more krana from how many years now almost 24 years now or money na air corner say afei ana what daddy say political interest friends say presidential ambition etinkanyan to boase nanka yem prepare yem groom kakransa na wohunu said the terrain no said the no economic because presidential is different from ministerial and I say parliamentary very very different no agro no different will be an adwuma ya obabe parliamentary legislature presidential executive obi an new rules are play etiko onya to wase kakra nanka afi yen grooming kakransa na no so okasa so we be kase na ora ala na yen grooming in che ana asem sebe se me nua ne beba so bie ba aka ye bedi sa no ho nkobo but the idea producer ma me sign say